Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make notifications arrive on time on Redmi 17. So in order to do this, we're gonna have to open settings, then scroll down to apps menu, open the apps menu and go to background auto start. Now here we're gonna have to select the crucial applications we want to receive urgent notifications from. So I expect this would be like social media applications, maybe your emails. In my case, I guess it would be WhatsApp and also Instagram application. Okay, once they are at the top, we no longer should worry about these two applications starting in the background. So now we're gonna have to find these applications in the apps menu. So let's search for them. Select each one of them and go to power settings and set no restrictions underneath battery saver. Then do the same thing with the other applications that you want to receive notifications from on time. And after that, you should have no issues receiving on-time notifications from these applications. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.